All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make the second shift knob. If you guys saw the last video, I came out really good. I think this one's gonna come out hopefully even better. It's got a bunch of resin left on it. As you can see, this one's got a lot more epoxy left than the last one. It's gonna come out looking really good. A lot more epoxy left. This one is gonna be awesome. Look at it in there. What are you putting on it? Oh. I think we should poly this one too.
Yes.
This thing looks sweet. Look at that. Cool. That is awesome.
I am pleased with that. It's my first outing with epoxy, really. I mean, I've done a few things to fill cracks and everything, but this is the first time I've done any resin casting.
Check this thing out. Look how good that came out. That's amazing. I'm super stoked. We're gonna put some epoxy on it, or I'm sorry, poly on it, and it should be glimmering. It already looks good. You can see the metal in there a little bit. Wipe on some poly. Ooh. Oh yeah. Man, this thing's having trouble focusing. Yeah. Look at that. That came out looking really, maybe I need to get on the side of the light better. Really good.
A baseball?
Both look good. So this was the second shift knob my dad made. Check him out again, Brailsford Woodworks. I'll plug his channel down below. Give it a click, check it out. This is the second shift knob he's ever made, and man, I mean, I can't even tell you, I love this thing. This is gonna go straight on the car. This thing looks awesome. This is exactly what I wanted. A little bit of metallic flake in there, and I appreciate it, Dad.
No problem. So, my pleasure.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and yeah. I got some more personal touches coming to Project Bobby B, so stay tuned.